I love angel investing. There's nothing better than supporting early stage companies. But after you write that initial check, it can be really difficult to track and monitor the progress of the companies you've invested in. But that's where Fuel is here to help. Within Fuel, you can easily make a watch list of all of the companies within your angel investment portfolio. Once inside the watch list, there's tons of information that you can learn. Information about your portfolio itself, like the market categories or geography to show the diversity or what you might be specializing in. And then also information about the companies that gives you signals on their success, such as employee count, are they growing, and the content, announcements, and messaging that they're putting out. Adding a company to the watch list is super easy. All you have to do is go up, type in the company name, click on it, and now it is added to the watch list, and we'll get into it and give out information.